Hello students, now we are going to discuss very important topic, that is energy diagram of reaction mechanism. Already know different types of reaction mechanism we have read, that is E1, E2, SN1, SN2, SE1, SE2, like this. Different types of reaction mechanism already we have discussed. Substitution, elimination reactions. So what are the energy diagram? What are the potential energy and the progress of reactions for the particular reactions, and it is the difference between the other reactions. Let us discuss. So here you see this energy diagram indicates SN1 mechanism. Already you know, in SN1 mechanism the reaction proceeds in two steps. First step is the formation of carbocation, and second step is the attaching of nucleophile to the carbocation. And first step is the slow step. So it is like this. SN1 mechanism, it will be move like this. First step, then second step. So this is your formation of intermediates. This step is the formation of intermediates. This is your SN1 mechanism. But if you see first step, slow step, this is the first step. Formation of carbocation and attaching of nucleophile to the carbocation. In SN2 mechanism, it is one step process, and it will always formation of transition state. This is the transition state. This is transition state. It proceeds to transition state. So this is the main difference, energy, potential energy with reaction progress for SN1 reaction, potential energy with reaction progress with SN2 reactions. So this is the main difference. Then you see second. In case of second, what happens? Here SN1 and SN2 both. SN1 and SN2 reactions for primary haloalkane. Already we have read, as SN1 reaction, first step is the formation of a carbocation. The carbocation should be more stable. As it is primary haloalkane, haloalkane means the carbocation is less stable. So SN1, SN2 reaction for primary haloalkane, it will be mainly proceeds in. If you see the SN1, SN2 both diagram, you will see as it is primary haloalkane, and primary haloalkane means SN2 prefers. Already we know. So this is your SN2, and this is one for SN1 mechanism. This is, so this stand for SN2 as it is primary, SN2, and this is your SN1. Okay, for primary haloalkane SN2 will be faster, but here in case of a tertiary, SN1 is prefer. SN1 prefer means reaction will be in two step process like this. This is your SN1 because two step process, and as it is tertiary means the tertiary carbocation is more stable, and for SN2 will be like this. This is your SN2, and this is SN2, that is slower. For tertiary SN2 is slower, for tertiary SN1 is faster. That's why the graph is coming below. And in case of primary haloalkane, SN2 is faster, SN1 is slower. So the energy diagram shows higher the energy, then slow is the reactions. As SN1 is higher means SN1 is slow for primary haloalkane. As SN2 is higher, so tertiary is SN2 higher energy, and SN1 lower energy means tertiary haloalkane. So this is the difference between the diagrammatically energy, potential energy and progress of reaction. Then come to third graph. This graph indicates potential energy versus reaction progress E1 and SN1. Elimination versus SN1 means substitution. E1 SN1 difference. As is a low concentration of base. Low concentration of base means here SN1 is preferred. Always SN1 prefer for, if you draw the diagram, this diagram, as low concentration means SN1 prefer. So this stand for, this is your SN1, this is your SN1, that as low concentration SN1, and this is your E1. This is your E1. This is a difference. But high concentration E1 is preferred. So this diagram again changes to like this. If you do like this, and for E1 high concentration E1 prefer. That's why the graph will be like this. This is your for E1. This graph is for E1, and the upper graph, this is for SN1. This is the difference. As higher concentration E1 has lower energy, faster, and lower concentration SN1 is faster. That's why lower energy. Lower energy means faster, higher energy means slower. So E1, you see the E1 is higher energy, so slow reaction for this mechanism. Similarly, that is the here the potential energy versus progressive reaction for primary haloalkane and E2SN2. Already we have discussed E1 SN1, E2 SN2. As it is primary haloalkane and SN2 will be preferred. Substitution reaction will be preferred. That's why the graph will be like this. This is for the SN2 prefer. This is SN2, and for E2 will be higher energy. This is for higher energy. This is E2, because SN2 will prefer, because it is primary haloalkane. Primary haloalkane means substitution will prefer, and for tertiary haloalkane E2 will prefer. So the graph will be, if you do the graph, if you like this is the graph, and this is for E2, this is for E2, and this is for SN2. For tertiary haloalkane, elimination reaction prefer. This is the very important concept, that primary haloalkane, secondary haloalkane, what is the difference between that SN2 and E2 mechanism. If it is tertiary, then E2 elimination prefer. If it is primary, substitution prefer. That's why SN2 faster reaction, and for tertiary E2 faster reaction. So from diagrammatically also we can know the difference. Okay. Then last diagram is very important diagram, that is substitution electrophilic. Then mainly it is seen in case of aromatic compounds. Substitution potential energy versus progressive reaction for substitution reaction. Substitution generally substitution electrophilic, it is also two steps process, first step and second step process. If you do the diagram, suppose here is two cases. Here the compound is minus I effect, as it is aromatic compound, minus I effect in nitro group is there. Then generally already we have read, if you do as minus I effect, always prefer the attacking of the electrophile at a meta position, and para position and ortho position will be slow. As meta derivative it is faster. So if you do the graph, is in this way, this is your first step and second step, this is your diagram. Another case, if you draw that first step and your second step, which is B1, which is B2, will identify. I will tell you, as B1 is faster because nitro group is a minus I fatting group. Next substitution of benzene takes place at meta position. So which is faster? B1 is faster because it's meta substitution. So this is your B1. This is for B1 diagram because it is faster, meta substituted product will be formed. For B2 will be slower. So this is for B2. This is your B2 mechanism. Similarly, this is a homework for you. You do this question. It is a electro that plus I affecting group is attached to benzene ring. If plus I affecting group is attached, then which will be that B1 and which will be B2? Which will be B1, which will be B2. But here you see, as it is a plus I affecting group, so result always ortho-para. As it is meta, B2 meta and B1 is ortho. So you identify, my question is which is B1, which is B2. Out of these two graphs, which will be B1, which will be B2, you have to identify. Okay? As you have to, again I am repeating, I am giving some hints. As it is a electron donating groups always results ortho-para product, and here the result is meta directing groups. So which is faster, whether B1 is faster or B2 faster? If it is faster, the graph will be lower energy graph. If it is slower, the graph will be higher energy graph. So accordingly you have to write, you have to first you will see which is faster. Faster means below and slower means above. So in this way the potential energy diagram versus reaction progress for different types of reaction mechanism we discussed. The question is also asking in different computer examination. So you practice this one, and if you like this video, please press the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe the channels. If any question you have, you can send the question in the comment box and your answer should be sent in the comment box. Okay, thank you all.